How to change website description on Google search with Wix. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can change website description on Google search with Wix. So let's get started with the process without wasting any time. What you have to do is come to your Wix dashboard or homepage and then just click edit site button right over here in the top right corner. Once you click this button, you're going to land on this Wix website editor, and then what you have to do is either click this arrow over here, the page home one, or just go to pages and menu directly. If you don't see this one, just go over here on the pages home option, and then what you have to do is click manage pages, and here the site pages and menu option or bar is going to pop up. So what you have to do is over here come to these three dots right next to this home icon or option, and then go for the SEO basics option. Once you click this SEO basics option, if you scroll down here, you can see that there's this meta description box, and here you can write whatever you want the search engines to show a description of yours to the Google search. So I'm going to write demo over here. That's the random thing that I'm going to write, and then just click let search index in this page, and this green tick that you just see is going to pop up. That means that the description is like collected. So that's what you have to do to change website description on Google search with Wix, and I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.